A simple DIY radio transmitter was tested. It's made a simple two-circuit transfiguration that consists of 3 microfarad and 5 microhenry. Based on the given values, calculate the wavelength emitted by the transmitter. Mayang gabi sir, o mo niya itong mga given formula, which is the 3 microfarad, which is our conductance, and our 5 microhenry, which is our inductance, and our lambda, which is our wavelength, ug mo niya itong pangitaon. Ug natay formula sir na itong gamiton, which is gamma is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root of LC. LC means conductance times capacitance. Ug ang pagkuha sa wavelength kay missing man natay constant, which is conductance is equal to gamma times lambda. O nga to silang i-simplify sir, mahimo na siyang capacitance all over lambda is equal to gamma. O ang kanina formula ato isang i-substitute sa kani, mahimo na siyang conductance all over lambda is equal to 1 all over 2 pi square root of LC. O ato silang, o ato ning gamiton na formula, o ato lang, o atong i-substitute ang mga given values. Mahimo ng 3 times 10 to the power of negative, to the power of 8 all over lambda is equal to 1 all over 2 pi square root of 5 times 10 to the power of negative 6 times 3 times 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6. O ato lang siyang shape solve sa calculator, ug mo niyang magawas 7,300.40 meters. Og mo niya itong final answer sir sa wavelength, which is lambda is equal to 7,300.40 to the power of negative 10 times 10 to the power of negative 6 m. Oh, that's all. Thank you sir.